is Saturday, which is a working day, and day 13 of the lockdown. Sadly, day 12, I did not make a video because I did nothing, and I'm not going to apologize, it was amazing. I stayed in bed most of the day and I read a book, and that was it, and I cooked some food. So nothing else happened on day 12, which means no day 12 video. This is a big part of my day today. Work, and then editing my video of day 10, which you never see on my videos, so today I'm going to add that in. So we are now going downstairs to go collect some bricks so that we can make a makeshift oven for the meantime, and hopefully make either a pizza or a bread or something on fire. Yay! Let me show you where the bricks come from. This is our view from our balcony, and by the bamboo over there we have spotted some bricks. And upstairs we found a bunch as well. So this is our little oven that we just made. Hopefully it works. It's not big enough for pizza, but this is the inside. At the back there's space for the flames, and it even has a teeny tiny little chimney. There it is.
Look at this worm.
Oh, there's a little like bamboo wormy. Hello. So now I'm gonna make a glue paste using glue and sawdust so that we can have like a big strong glue to hold everything together. So there's a wedge in now so that the A-frame is a bit stronger and has no play. Unfortunately, this piece of bamboo was a bit cracky, so we had to make it stronger. Okay, our second A-frame is done. Oh, another little bamboo little worm or larva. And he's alive. So now that our A-frames are done, they must just dry, and then tomorrow we can put the bar across and we can start our pull-ups. And now we have dough, and we're going to try out our little oven. Wow, day 12 has proven to be extremely productive. The proof is in the pudding. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, our oven is looking different. It's definitely hot. Oh, cool. Whoa, that's cool. My teeny tiny rolls have risen a little. Let's see how they come out.
Some flour so it doesn't stick. Whoa, whoa.
This is our test run. Bye.
Wow. Making so quick.
Oh.
That's too hot.
That only took like 30 seconds. And I know that because I was videoing it. This is our second attempt. The first one burned to bits. Let's see how it comes out. Attempt number 2 is out of our oven. Yeah, oh no, go away, fly. Our oven even has a door right now. Our big bun is going into the oven. And it's thanks to our friend Amber. Thank you for making it. Moment of truth. Wow. So this is our bread and our olive oil with garlic. Ah, so good.